What is going on, everybody? Today we're going over PayPal. We're gonna find the fair value of PayPal stock according to Warren Buffett, as mentioned in the book by his mentor Benjamin Graham, the book called The Intelligent Investor. Feel free to read it. 600 pages, super hard, but I'm gonna do the work for you and make everything simple. We're gonna find two things. We're gonna find number one, fair value of PayPal stock according to Warren Buffett. Number two, the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer long term. Based on this fair value, Warren Buffett would like to get a 33% discount. Let's get started with the PayPal. Yeah, let's see. I assume you guys heard the news about 2 weeks ago. PayPal started to offer crypto to everyone that has PayPal account, and basically Bitcoin price just exploded to almost 20,000, which is very nice if you're a crypto bag holder as well as Bitcoin. Let's see what we got with the short video, 40 seconds long, about PayPal and crypto for the people is here. Let's see what they have.
Interested in crypto, but don't know where to start? PayPal makes it simple to buy, hold, and sell crypto right from the app. Just tap crypto from the app home screen. You can start right away with the funds in your account. Choose your preferred crypto and start with as little as $1 with the same PayPal protection you're used to. You can even read useful crypto articles along the way. Crypto for the people is here. Start at your own pace today.
You can see we can start with as little as $1. This is a very bullish sign, but other than that, I want to see what price I would be a buyer according to Warren Buffett, and not just a buyer today based on this super bullish news for PayPal, but for crypto market as a whole. So let's get started with the Excel, see what we need. So I'm in the Excel, how to value a stock like Warren Buffett, which I made. I took the formula from the book and saved tons of time. And by the way, guys, if you want to calculate any stocks that you have or want to have in the future, you can find this exact Excel in the description below. If you join my Patreon, go check it out. Two caveats for this, guys. You need the stock in order to use the Excel correctly. You need the stock to have two things: A, positive EPS, earning per share; B, positive growth rate. I'm gonna show you exactly where to find it, but if you have an IPO stock or negative earning per share, this specific formula will not use. You'll probably need to use a discount cash flow formula, which I will do in future videos. But let's get started. The first thing that we need in order to find PayPal fair value according to Warren Buffett is this one, EPS, earning per share. In order to find the earning per share level, I'm gonna go to Yahoo Finance. I'm in Yahoo Finance. This is PayPal, the page up another 2.5%. By the way, guys, I will link a video from about a week or two at the end from Katie Wood, ARK Invest portfolio. She bought in one single day $122 million worth of PayPal. This was like 2 weeks ago when PayPal was 180. Very smart lady, Katie Wood. You can watch my entire series. She's buying Tesla. She's buying Tesla. She's buying PayPal. She's buying Nintendo stock. So many stuff, but that's irrelevant for this. And she also bought PayPal over $120 million in one scoop. That's the biggest purchase that I've seen her doing cash-wise in one order alone. So that's super bullish, and she's already up like 10%. But in order for us to find the earning per share, we're gonna go to this number, EPS, TTM, earning per share, trailing 12 months. We got ourselves a number of 265. That number 265 I'm gonna put in the Excel. So in the Excel, I'm putting 2.65. There we go. That's the earning per share. Next item on the list, PE 8.5. Now the book says put 8.5. If you see the instruction that you can get as well, constant means yellow, constant I don't change, 8.5. However, this is a super aggressive formula just to get a rate that was good 70 years ago when Dow Jones was, I don't know, $1,000, not 30,000 or something. So some people in many forums online, when they discuss the book, they say put a 7 instead of 8.5, just to see less conservative. So if you're gonna get a crazy number, I might change it, but I don't know. I'm doing this live and I'm gonna get the surprise number just as you guys live, which is always fun to find out the fair value live and see my face. Let's move on. Next item that we need to find is growth. We're also gonna find that in Yahoo Finance, growth rate of PayPal. So let's go back to Yahoo Finance. Back in Yahoo Finance, I need this tab. I'm gonna scroll all the way to the analysis tab. I'm gonna click analysis. Okay. Yeah. And let it do its thing. Another corona cases filed. 778 Americans filed for unemployment. Looks like the market doesn't care about anything anymore, just going up. Look at Dow Jones, 30,000. But look at this crazy good number. Next 5 years, this is what I'm looking for. Next 5 years per annual, 22.99, let's say 23% growth per year. That's insane. That's like 130% growth from here in the next 5 years, which will put PayPal roughly at the price of $450 or something like that. Just roughly, but that's just me talking. I need to see it, the exact number. We need to see the bond rate. The last 5 years they grew at 24%. This is 23%. I don't think it updated to the crypto. The crypto could be an insane game changer. As you can see here, I think this is what got updated. Next quarter, 48.5%. 48%, that's more than double just for the next quarter. And this is why I think that I need to see the number, but I think I'm gonna take an average between let's say 23 and 48. I think I'm gonna put 35 because the crypto is insanely bullish for PayPal, and it doesn't reflect in the next 5 years, but it is reflect in the next quarter. So the next quarter is 48, the next 5 years is 22. I'm just gonna average that. I'm gonna 22 plus 48, that's 70, divided by 2. I'm gonna put 35 to make it more reasonable and include roughly the crypto future bullish for PayPal. So I'm gonna put the number 35 in our Excel. Okay, so back in our Excel, I'm gonna put the growth rate 35. Okay, and the next item on our list is 2 times growth. Basically, when the book was written about 60 years plus ago, it said just to put 2, meaning that whatever the analysts are saying, which is what I saw, the analysts are saying 23, just multiplied it by 2, meaning 46. But I want to stay, a little more average with the quarterly and everything. Some forums will say just put 1 because we're at the all-time high. I'm sticking to the constant of the book. I'm not changing that. I'm putting 2. Next item on our list, we got a corporate bond, 4.4. This is the whole formula will get divided by 4.4. This is a constant and doesn't change. Again, from the book, this was the corporate bond yield when the book was written 60 plus years ago. Next item on our list that we need to find is a PayPal AAA bond yield. What does that mean? So I googled PayPal corporate bond and I got a couple of options. I'm looking for the highest number. The higher it is, the more conservative our number will be. So I got in here 2.3%, if you see that. And I got in here 2.65, that's higher. I'm probably gonna use that. I'm gonna see what else we got. Other than that, that has no number. Let's see what else we have. No number. 2.85, that's higher than 265, but super low. PayPal is like a blue chip stock bond rate. From what I see, less than 3% is basically Apple, Amazon, and all those. 2.85, that's pretty awesome. It's a pretty awesome company if you love PayPal or hate them because of the fees. From an investment point of view, they look pretty solid. I haven't went over the financials, but they're super bullish crypto wise and all that stuff. 2.3%. So I'm gonna get PayPal 285. I'm gonna put the number 285 in the Excel. That's the highest that I've got, and this is super low. So let's go to 285. Okay, so I'm in the Excel. I'm gonna put the number 285, and basically guys, once I'm gonna click enter, I'm gonna find two things: the fair value of PayPal as of today, as well as the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer long term. If we are gonna get a crazy number, I might change the formula to more conservative, but we'll see what we see. I have no idea. Before we find the fair value of PayPal, let me introduce myself. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. And while I am new to YouTube, I have about 15,000+ community members following my tips and tricks on TikTok, as well as Patreon that you can access from the description below. $10 a month or 2 cups of Starbucks coffee will get you in. You will get crypto ideas, everything that I got, everything. People are super happy with my crypto picks. I posted weekly. Also selling options for income. You get at least 1 trade a week. People are making money, and feel free to join. Read all the tiers that I got. I got free options. Read what you got there, and let's see what we see. Okay, so I'm in the Excel. I'm in the 285. I'm gonna click enter, and once I do, I'm gonna find the fair value of PayPal. You guys ready for this? Dum da da dum da 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 da. Not too bad, not too bad at all. Stock fair value of PayPal 321. Let me make it a little bigger for you guys. That's 50% from here. 321. That's pretty sweet. And the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer, and I can understand now why Katie Wood is a buyer at 180. Super cheap price is 215, and we are at 206. We are at 206. Buffett will be a buyer at 215, which is even below where we are. And fair value of PayPal, according to our calculation and Warren Buffett, is 321. That's pretty awesome. That's 30+%, you know, 35% from here. Let me get my calculator just to make sure. 206 divided by 321.16, 100 minus 64. We got a 36% discount. That's pretty awesome. 36% discount. I'm bullish on PayPal. Maybe on Patreon we will do some deep in the money calls. Maybe we'll buy some 200 or 180 calls for 6 months from now, and enjoy the premium without buying 100 shares for 20,000. You can buy 1 share for like 2,000, 1 call option or something like that. If it goes to 300, we're gonna sell it for 10,000. Does it for $10 a month? I'm sure it does. And if I give you any value, guys, don't forget to subscribe to see more, and comment below which stock would you like me to analyze next. Of course, you can find this Excel in the basic level membership on Patreon, $10 a month. Posted the link about a month ago. Feel free to check it out. And yeah, and I will see you in the next video. PayPal is super cheap according to Warren Buffett. I'm very impressed. Thank you guys. I will see you next time. Yeah.